like to dance all day. We like to dance, yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MathBard. So let's start our topic. Today our topic is addition. So when I say addition, what are the terms that comes in your mind? Sum, altogether, increase, more, etc. Right? So addition is nothing but getting things together. Exactly. We use the term add. When we are making a recipe, we use the term add. So what does it mean? Add means getting things together. Now in numbers, addition is nothing but combining. Exactly. Right. So add here the words sum, total, altogether, all these terms leads you to the operation addition. Usually it happens that the word sum over here, when we look at the word sum over here, we usually think that sum means addition. But let me correct your misconception. Sum is nothing but the answer of addition. Always remember, sum is nothing but answer of addition. Now coming to the parts of addition, the numbers that you add in addition are called as addends. The addends can be 2 or more than 2. It can be infinity number of addends. So the number that you add are called addends, and the answer of the addends is called as sum. Exactly. Now the addends are added by the symbol plus. I hope you all remember that the symbol plus represents some types of lines. Exactly, perpendicular lines. Now to know what are perpendicular lines, you need to watch my previous video on types of lines. Exactly. So here the two lines are crossing each other. That is the reason they are perpendicular. So this is the symbol of this addition, that is plus. We called it as plus, and to identify that the numbers are to be added, we use this symbol. Exactly. Now coming to the next part, there are many ways. Usually it happens with the students that they find difficulty to do additions. Yes, so I recommend the best way for doing addition is through mental math. First, start yourself with the mental math addition. Now you must be thinking that it's little difficult for us to do mental math. Actually, I say no. I have found out some methods through which we can improve our mental math. Okay, let's start with friends of tens. What are the friends of tens? Now to see what are friends of tens, it's nothing but the numbers when you add, you get the sum as 10. For example, when you add 1 and 9 are friends. So when you add 1 and 9, you get 10. Vice versa, 9 plus 1. 2 plus 8 is 10. Vice versa, 8 plus 2 is 10. 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6, 5 plus 5. So if you remember this friends of 10, it becomes very easy for you to remember, to do your mental math actually. Okay, once you have learned with this friends of 10, you can actually learn this. First remember it and then quiz yourself with your parents. I really suggest you quiz yourself with your parents. Ask them to ask you this friends of 10 or friends of 20 from the middle, that is randomly. The next method is friends of 20. Once you are thorough with friends of 10, the next method is friends of 20. Again, friends of 20 is nothing but adding to form the sum of 20. Same way as I said, you can do is 1 plus 19 or 19 plus 1 is 20, 2 plus 18 or 18 plus 2 is 20, 3 plus 17, 17 plus 3 is 20, and so on. Now if you are thorough with these methods, with these two methods, it gets very easy for you to do mental math. Next, for the next method is doubling of numbers. Exactly. if you remember, you don't need to actually remember the doubling of numbers to large numbers. But if you at least remember doubling at least till 11, 12 or 15, I suggest, it becomes very easy for you to add the numbers. You can add it mentally actually. I really suggest that. Now, if you just have a look, you can simply see that 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 4 plus 4, 8. As you all can see that it's nothing but the multiples of 2. Yes. So when you remember the doubling of numbers, you automatically start adding numbers through either of these methods, and it becomes very easy for you to add 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, any number of digits together. Okay. Now coming to the last part, today I have focused on the small mistakes that usually students find or students do while doing the addition problem. The first one, arranging the numbers in the proper place value. Right. When there are multi-digit of numbers, for example, if there are 3-digit number plus 4-digit number plus 5-digit number plus 2-digit number, it gets difficult for the students, or say the student get confused when they arrange the numbers. Let me show you how. First, arrange the number which has the maximum digits. So write the first number which has a maximum digit, and make sure that you write the place value above the numbers. Yes. Now write the next number below, starting from the ones place value. Always remember, you need to align your numbers from the right side. Okay, that is from the ones place value. This is how you are going to write the numbers, or say you are going to arrange your numbers. And when you add it, you get your sum correctly. Now let us see what will happen when you align the numbers towards the left side. Yeah. Can you see the place value of the digit has changed? Yes. And when the place, as I have said in my previous video, the place value is nothing but the identity of a number. That means when you are changing the position of the number, or when you are aligning the number in the wrong side, you are changing the identity of a number. That is the reason most of the student gets confused. So always remember, you need to align your numbers from the right side. That is from the ones place value, and remember to put the place values on the top first. The next mistake that usually the students do is in carrying. Yes. They know that when there is a 2-digit number that comes in an answer, for example, let's take it as 13. When you get 13, most of the student does this mistake that instead of putting 1 as a carry, they just put 3 on as carry and put 1 down. Yes, they does not understand that which number should be carried. So the easiest way I suggest is, they already know that 13 is made with 1 and 3. So when they are writing it, they can say it and write as 1 on the top and 3 on the floor. So whenever they are writing it in such form, by saying it, it becomes very easy for them to write the correct digit on the top and the next digit at the bottom, with which the answer will be correct. So by following these methods that I have suggested, this will improve your mental math in additions, and once you improve your mental math in additions, it becomes very easy to add large numbers as well. It doesn't require to use your fingers to add the large numbers. I hope this video was very beneficial for you all, and please give me your comments and feedbacks in the comments box. Thank you so much.
Well, I could dance.